So in this video we're gonna install Ubuntu 23.10 Mantic Minitor. Okay, and it is in a virtual box. The steps are quite simple. Again, you can see it is installed in our virtual box, the Ubuntu 23.10. So let's get started. First of all, let's head to ubuntu.com and download ISO image. It was not available for few days to download, but it is available now. Just go to get Ubuntu desktop and you can see the version. Check the version before you download. And yes, we're gonna download this one. Thank you for downloading Ubuntu desktop. If it doesn't start automatically, you can click here and it will start download. It's 4.81 gigabytes. So let's minimize this and open VirtualBox. I have already downloaded. You can download it for your systems depending what machine you are operating system you are using. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna check. Click on Windows host. I have already downloaded it, and also I have installed it. If you have watched my previous video, I have already installed that, so I'll come back when it's downloaded. So the ISO image is downloaded. You can open VirtualBox and click on new. As usual, give the name to your virtual machine. It is Ubuntu, so it makes sense to name it as Ubuntu. I'm gonna choose a separate drive for it to get installed. Usually I install it in ISO, not VMs, and Ubuntu. Yes, I'm gonna choose this folder to install Ubuntu. Now select the ISO image that you have downloaded. It's not showing, so other folder, Ubuntu desktop, here it is. You can skip unattended installation, click next, and give the memory depending upon your device. I'll give 3 gigabytes of memory and 3 CPU cores. Just enter next, and the size 25 gigabytes is enough, recommended from Ubuntu, but I'm gonna give 31 gigabytes. You can give up to whatever size that you want. So this is the summary. You can read all that and make correction if you want to. I'm gonna go into settings and check if all the settings are fine. Processor, acceleration, display, network. You can choose a bridge adapter if you want to access your guest machine from host device. The IP address will be given by your router. And advanced settings, this is the most important one, bidirectional, because you want to copy and paste in your guest machine. Description and display settings, you can do this max 128 megabyte and enable 3D acceleration. This hidden start and it will boot up the system. You can see now. Try or install Ubuntu. Other don't worry about other menus. It's starting. It may take time depending upon your device. You can see it's taking time on mine. Okay, here we are. So this is the logo for Mantic Minotaur, and this is the installation menu that you will be greeted first when you boot up the system. Welcome Ubuntu, preparing Ubuntu. Select the, let me just minimize it first. Okay, select the language that you want. There are a couple of languages support: Espanol, Dutch, ST, English. I'm gonna choose English. And Ubuntu, install Ubuntu. You can try if you want. And the keyboard, I'm gonna use internet, so use a wired connection because it may update. Yes, as I speak. Current version desktop installer version update to, okay, I'm gonna update that. Okay, it took short time to update. Restart the installer. I hope it will not restart the system. Yeah, it didn't. Preparing Ubuntu. So they should have given installation updating the that from the start I have, so that I will not have to choose these again. Default installation, full installation. You can choose full installation if you want, but I'm using it is in a virtual box, so I do not want other systems, other applications. I will go for a default installation. But for supporting graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, I can choose that and install media formats, because sometimes you may want to watch videos inside the VirtualBox. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. It doesn't matter. We are in VirtualBox, and this is the partition. Select the location. I'm gonna give it a name. STAR, and a computer name that you want to give a nickname for your computer. Next turn. Ubuntu OS mode. Just pick the username, it is fine for me. Choose the password. I suggest strong password. I'm entering a weak because I am very bad at remembering. And click on next. The it uses, okay, I can change the appearance, dark mode, and the theme color. Let's see, we have many theme color right now: green, blue. I think I'll go for, no, I think I will go for not orange. Orange is by default, it will not make any sense. Okay, I think I chose a little pinkish one, not orange. Yes, it is pink. Restart the system when it is installed. I just skip the video after installing, and you will be again in this booting menu system, whatever that is. Press enter and give the password that you entered earlier. Mine was easy, just number locks. Okay, this is now uh, online accounts. Okay, just skip that if you do not want to. And next, help improve Ubuntu. Yes, send system information to canonical. Yes, I'm gonna do yes. Location services, it is not needed. And here are the apps that are available for Ubuntu: Code, Zoom Client, Spotify, everything that you want. Bitwarden, done. Okay, let's see what wallpapers there are. It is grayish for dark mode. Desktop files, so change background. There are many wallpapers. Adaptive one to light to dark. For now, I am gonna select this one. Yes, it looks nice. So for the mm, full screen, I think it is you can okay, yes, it is a not full screen. You can install that through guest add-ons, but the guest add-ons are not getting installed. Just mount VBox GA guest add-ons a disk first. You can see run software. It was not available in previous versions of Ubuntu. And if we provide password, it will run the code. It is installing the guest add-ons. Once it is get installed, you can see the screen is automatically full. You can unmount it uh, if it is not needed. So this is all about installing Ubuntu 23.10 latest version. So thanks for watching. I'll be uploading another guide very soon.